Holy buckets, I totally forgot I had this corn in the back. That sucks. That sucks bad. And I just used 5 brand new bags. Alright, my low fuel light just now came on. We got 17.3 hours. I think we start. Alright, today I'm busting out the Can Am for his first work mission, really. I'm going to tie the drag on it. I just planted 3 acres of corn and beans. And it's a little dusty, it's a little windy, so instead of sucking it in with 4-wheeler, we are going to take the Can Am out. Holy buckets, I totally forgot I had this corn in the back. That sucks. That sucks bad. And I just used 5 brand new bags. Alright, anyways, we are going to go drag. Alright, got that problem solved. Got that corn stashed for probably next year. I gotta remember to mark that though. Hey guys, Capper here, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a little different video. It's going to be some field time. It's mainly an action video of the Can Am, testing it out with this heavy drag, but it's also going to tell a story. I went out of my way to get some good camera angles, as you saw in the opening, and I'm going to lose one of my GoPros. One of the rocks or big woods stump pieces knocked it off, and so finding it on a 3-acre parcel of dirt was almost like finding a needle in the haystack. But we'll see if I'm gonna get lucky and find that camera that flipped off. And hope you enjoy the scenery, and I'm gonna give you some of my initial thoughts on this Can Am since we've only had it a couple of months. So let's get into it, enjoy the scenery, and let's have a fun machine equipment video. That's what I want to do today, so let's roll, baby. So with this, you can leave your camera on and watch it. Let's see, let's put it in work mode and try that. All right, work mode. Probably should go 4-wheel drive since it's soft. again in a while. Okay, so at this point I had no idea I lost the undercarriage camera yet, so I did a few laps around. And then I finally realized it was missing, and so I started searching. I disconnected the drag and I started following my trails, looking out the window for this thing, and it took me quite a while, but miraculously I found it here after about a half hour of searching. We'll skip right ahead to that part.
The other GoPro.
And it's still running. Look at that. Oh, I'm grateful today right now. That's a win right now. Fuel light just now came on. We got 17.3 hours. I think we started at 7, so 10 hours of riding, and this last hour and a quarter was really heavy dragging. So we got 10 hours on a tank of fuel. Not bad. But I just gotta make this living.